Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. So our topic for ML project is spam email detection. So first of all, we have to understand what is spam email detection. So whenever we open our Google Mail, that is our Gmail, so we can see a spam section at the when we click the three slashes at the corner. So what is that spam email? So those emails are the mails which are not of our use, and they can also uh, give a threat to a company or an individual also. So the email providers like Google, so Google is one of the email providers. They provide us the email, okay, which we receive on our email ID. So those email providers are using machine learning models in order to filter out the spam emails automatically. So we do not need to do that thing by ourselves, that is manually. So for a user which is using a Gmail, that is the Google Mail, for him the work of filtering that spam emails become easy. So basically, what is the role of that model? So whenever a model is applied by a company like Google in the to filter the spam emails from the Gmail, that model is a supervised, means it is a supervised machine learning model. So it learns from the data, okay, from the data which is given by the test data which is given by that company, for example Google. So whenever that model was created, some test data was given to that data. After analyzing some characteristics of spam email, the model gets that what are the specific characteristics that the model has to check in new emails whenever it receives, to detect that whether it is a spam or not. So whenever a new email comes at our email ID, it just checks for that specific characteristics, that whether that characteristic is correct or not. So if that characteristics match with the spam characteristic, then it detects as a spam email, and then it automatically sends it to the spam section.
Let's write the abc.@gmail.com, and when we check and we click the predict button, and at that time looking spam, be safe, this is the alert message. And now we write D22 DC166 @charset.edu.in, and now we after that we click the predict button, and it's a give a message, not as spam, it's a real mail. This is the small project we have created in machine learning. Now over to Sunny.
Hello everyone, my name is Sunny Parmar and future scope of this is the scope can be expanded to include multimodal detection which involves analyzing not only text but also images, audio and video contained in emails. Detecting spam in multimedia emails which may contain malicious attachment is becoming increasingly important. Combining machine learning with traditional rule-based system can provide a more robust defense against spam. And the conclusion is this project contribute to a positive user experience by ensuring that email inbox are not cluttered with irrelevant and potentially harmful messages. User can trust their email services to filter out spam, allowing them to focus on important communication. Spam detection project must continually evolve to keep pace with ever-changing tactics used by spammer. The future of spam email detection project holds the promise of more advanced deep learning, natural language processing, and multimodal analysis, making them even more capable of discovering stubble spam patterns. Here are some reference links we have used. Thank you.